Hey guys, I'm now going to show you how to drape with a blanket when you're in a cooler climate. So I've just finished doing the upper body Ashiatsu here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the sheet, pull it between my legs and all the way up to the client's shoulders. I'm going to do the same thing with the blanket. You always want to make sure that when you're adjusting or draping that you have one foot on each side of your client's body, and that's for client and therapist safety so you don't lose your balance and fall over. So when you have a blanket, the best thing to do is just to fold it in half and get it out of the way. So you're uncovering the whole side body here, and that fold is just going right in the center along the cleft and the spine. So we're going to do the same thing with the sheet, but this time we're going to fold 3 triangles, kind of like you're folding a paper airplane. So grab the sheet at the top here, take the edge of the sheet and make one triangular fold here so that the fold itself is going down the spine and the gluteal cleft. Then you're going to pin again at the spine, grab the outer edge of the sheet and do the same thing, folding another triangle. So now that fold is going to be over the first fold. Then make sure you step down so you're not bending too much here. Grab the outside of the sheet and do your last fold. Make sure you uncover the foot. So now to get a nice secure drape, I'm going to take my hand and place it underneath the sheet, and then I'm going to ask my client to lift up their knee. Bring the sheet underneath the knee and the thigh, and then fold it over and give them a nice tuck. And then you can also cover up the drape or the glute, or cover it up or expose it depending on how much gluteal work you're going to do. And then you would just get into your diagonal plane and start doing your hip hikers. From here, when you're finished, again, we're going to put one foot on each side of your client's body. Instruct them to lift up their knee, cover up the limb, fold the blanket back over, and then do the same thing on the other side.